Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Discovery Skills. Today we will talk about 10 photography ideas to improve your photography. Are you stuck in a photographic rut? Are you looking to boost your creativity with new photography ideas? There are so many different photography techniques out there. Where do you start? Look no further. We have compiled a list of 10 of the most interesting photography ideas, ranging from simple post-production edits to day-long projects. Let's start our video. Number 1, reflections. The use of reflections in your photography can add gorgeous depth and structure to your images. You can turn average landscapes and cityscapes into something extraordinary. Use a wide angle lens to capture a wider field of view for full effect. But don't limit yourself to photography. Lakes or rivers, puddles in city streets, fountains, or even small ponds can give great reflection result. Number 2. Look for shadows. Shadow photography is a great way to add drama, mystery, and emotion to your portrait photography. You can add anonymity to an image if you isolate the shadow alone without showing the subject, as in the image above. You can use shadow of any subject to create this kind of effect. Number 3. Shoot during the golden hour. The golden hour is the hour after sunrise or before sunset. Taking photos during this time adds a beautiful, diffuse, warm hue to your images. It also extends shadows as the sun is at a lower point in the sky. In addition, the golden hour allows a more even exposure, which enhances depth and detail in your subjects. Number 4. Shoot a self-portrait. Achieving a quality self-portrait with a camera, not a smartphone, can be quite difficult. However, there are various tips and tricks to taking good self-portrait. We often don't get to see the person behind the camera, so it is great for the photographer to be able to present himself in images. Number 5. Underwater photography. A beautiful way to capture a snapshot of another world is through underwater photography. It is one of the most challenging photography ideas. However, it is also very rewarding. The purchase of protective camera casing or a specialist camera is a must for this. Plus, you might consider purchasing color corrective filters to enhance the vividness and color accuracy of the scene. Number 6. Catch a sunset. Following on from the golden hour, a sunset offers some of the most beautiful photography. It works particularly well when dark slit outers are in the foreground, such as a skyline, mountain, or trees in a forest. These photography ideas enhance the overall structure of your image, as well as creating a stunning distinction between a vivid, colorful background and a darker, shadowy foreground. Number 7. Water droplets. Water droplet photography is a stunning way to capture a single moment in time. The reflections, colors, ripples, and shades that droplets create are unique and beautiful to look at. Taking the perfect water droplet image takes a lot of patience, perseverance, and waiting for the right moment. However, once captured, you have a one of a kind of image suspended time. Number 8. Seek out frames. Framing your subject with a natural frame in an image is a great way to create a subtle 3D effect. Natural frame photography works best when the frame and the inner image differ greatly in color, texture, light, and tone. This draws the viewer's eyes to both the frame and the central image. Be creative. You can frame images with architecture, flora, landscape, and even human hands. Number 9. Steel wool photography. Number 10. Shallow depth of field. Creative use of aperture to create a shallow depth of field helps to isolate your subject from the background and foreground elements. You can also use it to create a beautiful bokeh effect. Use a lower f number from f1.8 to f5.6 to achieve this shallow depth of field. It gives a beautiful effect that is eye-catching to look at. Thanks a lot, viewers. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.